What's going on, guys? About to start the live stream very soon. If you could just do me a favor, like the video, share it. I'm going to start it once we have a certain amount of people in this live stream. So again, like the video, share it with a friend. Of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed. What are you doing? Hey guys, hey, do me a favor, like the video. Let's get some more likes in here. Where we at? We only have 24 likes. What is that? You should be ashamed of yourself. Do me a favor, like the video, share it with a friend. Leave a comment, answering some comments. We're starting in about 11 minutes. I just kind of want to get some more people in here. So do me a favor, like the video. Hey, guys, what's up? Nice to see you in the live stream. I see the numbers on the dashboard here. Do me a favor. If you guys can like the video really quick, I'll answer some questions. We're starting in T-minus 9 minutes. All right, guys, thank you. Somebody was asking, why would you like the video now? Well, so I can start the live stream. Of course, I mean, who genuinely likes the video because they like the video? I mean, I just like it because the creator, I like the creator, right? So if you could do me a favor, like the video, share it with a friend, so we can get the live stream started and so we can get some more promotion, of course. Yes, you are all here to serve me now. I'm just joking. That's obviously a joke. You're not an algorithm puppet. You're just contributing to the success so I can continue making content for you guys and helping you guys with cryptocurrency. Hey, if you guys are comparing Alex's and Floridian's when it comes to cryptocurrency channels, hey man, I will do a boxing match, celebrity boxing match with Alex Becker. Call him out, get him on Twitter, get him to answer me because he's just too big for us, I guess. I mean, it's too big dumping on people. But we could definitely, you know, do that boxing match. It'll be fun. Not all Spanish people are Mexicans. All right, we're starting the live stream early today. How's everybody doing? How you guys doing? You're enjoying your Wednesday? Just got back from vacation in Colorado. Had a great time. Now it's down to get, we got to get down and dirty with the cryptocurrency market. We saw this recent dip on Sunday. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to sit there and research, exactly the reasons behind it. From my understanding, it was because of the Biden infrastructure bill. And, of course, the terminology of broker, right? And their vague terminology, and they're kind of putting everybody in this regulation, I guess you could say, basket of regulations. So yeah, today we're going to be talking about some news. You guys know the deal with these live streams. We talk about the news, what's going on in cryptocurrency adoption, some huge news actually, some really, really big news. And then obviously it's pointing towards where the cryptocurrency, I guess you could say, community might be going, right? Because all right, we're getting into too many details. Let's just wait for the actual content. But before we get started in the content, if you could do me a favor while you're watching my ugly face, just like the video, okay? Just like the video, share it with a friend. Let's try to get as many people in here as possible. We're only sitting at 153 people. Come on, man. We average at least 600. Let's try to get as many people in here as possible. The more actions you take on YouTube, the more they promote us. So take a deep breath, relax, and smash that like button. Let's try to promote Alex before we get started. And of course, we have a podcast. What it came out last Thursday?
Tomorrow, a new one comes out tomorrow.
Yeah, so we have a new podcast coming out tomorrow.
Every Thursday morning.
Every Thursday morning. This is with the UFC fighter, right?
Yeah, he'll be.
Oh, this one's actually interesting.
Jake Paul's bodyguard.
He was, Jake Paul's bodyguard, and he actually saw the got your hat situation really close. So actually, this information's nowhere else on the internet. It basically explains his perspective of exactly what happened with Floyd Mayweather. And yeah, he actually got punched in his face. So it was an interesting conversation. It was one of the more interesting podcasts in my personal opinion, just because of what he's doing and stuff like that. So head on over to alexanderlorenzo.buzzsprout.com to get access to the podcast tomorrow. What time is it dropping in the morning?
It'll be there when they wake up.
When you wake up, you'll have access to it, and you can drive to work and listen to my voice, okay? So I could be all over, omnipresent, everywhere in your life. Let me get a drink of water. Also, this live stream is brought to you by Fundamental Secrets. You guys know the deal. I show my course all the time. Basically talks about, cryptocurrency from going zero to hero and being an actual investor in crypto and stop playing the games. You get the deal. Coaching. I'm not even going to talk about it too much. You guys know about Fundamental Secrets. But yeah, head on over to the website. Link is in the description below. It's how we get paid out here. So yeah, YouTube doesn't really pay the bills like that. And I don't accept sponsorship. You know the deal. So yeah, that's what we sell. You guys get it? Let me answer some comments for a little bit, and then we'll jump into the topic at hand. Cali weed better than Colorado weed. You guys are too funny, man. You guys are, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. All right. Alex has to be PR. Yeah, I'm Puerto Rican. Killer content, thank you. Thank you for the positive reinforcement. Thank you. What else we got? Alex, the app you released the first, how do you know it was an app? How do you know it was that? What are you guys like, hacking me over here? Will it be available for Android? It'll be available for every single device on planet Earth. Are you guys excited for January 1st? You want me to talk about that? Put ones in the chat if you want me to talk about January 1st and the launch event, and I'll try to give you like a little sneak preview to what's going on. I'm not gonna give you everything though. I can't. I gotta leave it a little bit surprised. My girlfriend and my parents say I suck at surprises, okay? I usually tell them like a week before they even get their gift because I'm so excited about it. But yeah, we could talk a little bit about you know, what's happening January 1st. Leave ones in the chat if that's what you guys want. Does FS have an app? Not really, but it's a website, so it doesn't really matter. And it's a group. Bitcoin is going to, oh, we have, Alex, because it's obvious for your business. What's obvious for my business? Oh, we have a lot of ones. All right,
You're gonna have to spill some beans, man.
All right, I gotta spill some beans. Okay, this is the first time. You know how I'm excited, man. Everything I've been doing is leading up to this event right here. Okay, January 1st, I'm telling you right now, the world will be changed forever. And guess what? I specifically made this embodying cryptocurrency. I pulled out the pen for a reason, okay? I want to point at you because this is serious. I made this for the people. I embody this new thing we're about to drop January 1st for the people. It's power to the people. I didn't accommodate rich people. I didn't accommodate the person that has even 100 grand in his portfolio. I'm not accommodating these people, okay? What I made here will be free. It will be huge. I think it's the greatest thing I've ever done in my life. So January 1st, I'll give you the official announcement, and hopefully I didn't break my camera with the can. But I wanted to show my excitement in some way, shape, or form, and that's how I did it. But seriously, I told you guys about it a little bit. We have some prediction models, but it's way deeper than that. If I were to quantify, you know, how much the prediction models mean, you know, to what we're doing, it's probably like 10% of what we're really doing. We have so much in the background being generated. I've spent so much money trying to get this up. I've spent so much time. Believe it or not, this has been in progress for the past like at least 11 months, at least a year. It's been in progress. And like I said, it's leading up to this date, right smack in the middle of the bull market. You think this is like, I planned this, right? I planned this. So January 1st, the world's going to change. I can guarantee that, and you need to pay attention to what's going on. But yeah, there you go. Was that just too much hype? Should I give them like specifics? Like what?
Hey, well, one guy wants to know, was that a White Claw you just threw?
No, I don't get drunk on the job, right? I don't get drunk on it's not a White Claw, it's Celsius. I don't like drinking them either, man, but I just, sometimes, you know, I haven't eaten food today. Yeah, I just nonstop, as soon as I get up, it's nonstop go mode. Like there's no stopping. So like, sometimes I need a little bit of energy. What other questions they got? He's so dramatic. Yeah, hey, man, you guys like it. You guys, you know, like the energy, right? That's what I bring. All right, I'm really talking too much right now. Is it, Alex? I knew it's an app because it would elevate your community and business. Oh, smart dude. Yeah. All right, we'll give you a little bit specific. All right, so I'm just gonna give you this one thing right here. That's it. This is a competitor to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. I'm leaving it at that. We're done. All right, we're done. No more gems. Okay. And not only is it a competitor, but it's better. It's better. And I'm not just saying that because I'm biased. Maybe I am biased. Who cares? That's why you guys follow me. All right, let's jump into the content at hand. As you can see here on the screen share, we have, I don't want to like talk about specifics, but who cares, right? But we see, you know, a lot of artists and big people with massive audiences that have made money in the past predicting trends, jumping into NFTs. I'm gonna leave it at that, but like we have to talk about it because it's just getting out of hand. There's just so many people coming. And then not only are they predicting trends, but they're actually fighting each other over, you know, rights over NFTs. So clearly there's a lot of money to be made, right? If there wasn't money to be made, they wouldn't be suing each other, all right? So this is getting a little bit out of hand, to be honest with you. Look, MLB stars, right? I mean, look at these names. Tom Brady, Steph Curry, joining as ambassadors to FTX exchange. Right? This is huge. And you guys know that in Miami, they actually have the FTX exchange, which brings me to my next point. Look at this. Crypto.com is spending $700 million in cash to rename the Staples Center in Los Angeles, which is kind of like what I was talking about at the beginning. Obviously, it's the big piece of news that everybody's talking about. But just from my perspective, what you guys got to understand is that it's a name, right? They're putting the name out to a lot of different people. This is Los Angeles, right? So right now, the big crypto mecca is what? Austin, Texas. That's like kind of like where everybody's migrating. Okay. Now FTX bought, you know, which is another big exchange comparable to Crypto.com. They purchased the rights to the Miami Stadium. I forgot the exact name of it, what it was before.
American Airlines.
Yeah, American Airlines, which is now the FTX arena, right? So they bought that one over there. So, and the reason why they did that is because they saw people, you know, probably moving to Miami because of the favorable regulations, right? And you know, it's becoming the second Mecca. So, is this like, why are they purchasing, you know, the Staples Center in Los Angeles? Is there a reason for this? Is Los Angeles going to start adopting cryptocurrency? Are we going to see, like, you know, the mayor coming out and trying to give you yield on your, are they going to make a LA coin, right? So very interesting. We're seeing like a fight from the mayors. We're seeing like city fights. We're seeing like in pretty much every aspect, people want to get the cryptocurrency. They want to get a piece of the pie. And spending $700 million is a clear indicator that something's happening in LA. So I wouldn't be surprised, and I'm making a prediction, that in the future, something big is going to happen in LA, okay? No one just spends $700 million without some type of insider information or something happening. Yeah, so, yeah, just pay attention to that. Marty, you want to talk?
I do want
All right, Marty wants to talk. Hold on one second.
Dang, you just talked about it, man.
Oh, yeah, I just talked about it. Sorry about that. All right, Marty's micing up. Give me a second, guys. Mute it.
I know we're getting our second. Yeah, we're getting our second mic here pretty soon, guys. I wasn't able to get set up, so apologies on my end. But yeah, Alex kind of stole the show there. I was supposed to talk about Crypto.com. Crazy news, huh? $700 million.
Are we switching to your tablet, Marty?
No, I'm just talking about it. I'm just looking off my tablet. I'm going to not spend too much time here. I got to get back to the calls. Guys, again, link is in the bio for the Fundamental Secrets group, as well as if you go on our website, you can actually call us directly. Call Johnny or I directly. So we got the phone ready to go. And what's that?
What do you do?
Oh, guys, I forgot to say, my name is Marty. I'm one of the sales consultants here for Alex. Also very avid TikToker, starting to be, pop on TikTok. So if you want to give me a follow there, I'll maybe have Eddie put it in the comments there, my TikTok it's at Martinez, MARTYNASLUKO. Yes, it's very long.
What's your last name?
LUKO.
SIUNAS. Last name is Lukas. LUKO SIUNAS.
Yes. All right.
All right, now I'm going to ask Marty to pitch something in a different language in crypto. Go.
Oh my gosh, why do I have to pitch in a different language?
Give him some.
Well, I'm trying to decide if I'll do Lithuanian or Russian. I think
This live stream is out of control right now.
It's out of control. Why is it out of control? Labas vakaras, aš norėjau šiandien čia ateiti su jumis pakalbėti apie mūsų programą, kur mes turim apie cryptocurrency.
All right, stop. Spanish, Spanish.
Oh, Spanish, all right. Hola a todos. Quiero hablar un poco para criptomoneda. Y I don't know how to say strategies in Spanish, pero sí, quiero hablar un poquito para criptomoneda y dinero in what you can
Stop.
make.
Russian.
Oh my gosh. Здравствуйте, я тут работаю с Александр, и я хочу с вами тут поговорить и вам помочь на вашу стратегию в крипто и как вы хотите деньги зарабатывать.
All right, there you go.
All right.
I'm working on it. I know, I'm working on it. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. It's a lot, man. This guy's got me researching crypto and all this. But yeah, little market consolidation. Not the best news to come out Monday with the infrastructure bill, but it is what it is. I think that we'll still be able to sneak in an amendment because it doesn't go into effect until 2024. And there are, a lot more senators and representatives coming out that are pro-crypto. So yeah, I do think we will be able to sneak in an amendment. It's just everything's going on with COVID right now. And what was it, $5 trillion, the infrastructure bill? That is a lot of money printing. That's about to happen. So very good test for Bitcoin here. We're going to see if Bitcoin's actually going to live up to its expectations and the reason why it was created, right? A hedge against monetary inflation and as a store of value as well now. So we shall see. But besides that, on, I guess, retail level, crypto's doing well. Crypto.com signing deals. I think now you're probably going to see more and more athletes try to get paid in crypto or in Bitcoin. You already saw what happened with the NFTs and NBA Top Shots, right? So wouldn't be surprised if sports NFTs make a resurgence. And especially now with the metaverse coming out, you might be getting into like NFTs that where it sounds crazy, but in crypto is nothing crazy, where if you own, let's say, an NBA Top Shot, you'll be able to kind of do it, what Eddie does with NBA 2K, right? Where you'll be able to collect a certain amount of NFTs and you can actually make a team within the metaverse, let's say the NBA metaverse, and the NFTs that you've collected of certain players, you'll be able to go and match up and play against other people that have collected other NFT NBA Top Shots, or however they want to make it. So I know it sounds crazy, but I would not say it's out of the question there, because the way things are happening right now, anything is possible.
They want you in Portuguese next.
I don't know my Portuguese too much, unfortunately.
All right, I'll take it back over.
Hey, come on, man. Let me just do one more thing. But yeah, just looking through some news. Ted Cruz, wants to repeal the infrastructure bill. Not surprised. He's very pro crypto. Brian Quintez joins board of whatever that is. So yeah, I'm sure layer 2 solutions will be popping here. Oh, did you guys see AVAX today?
Yeah.
Over $100, man. I got into that at like $60, so I'm sitting pretty good there. And yeah, I mean, NFT gaming is still making a big move. So I've been picking up a lot of the, I guess, foundational and safer bets in NFT gaming. So stuff like your Engine Coin, Sandbox, Cosmos, AVAX Decentraland as well. So I've been pretty much keeping it with the fundamentals there. That is a very big rabbit hole to go down to right now with NFT gaming, because a lot of low market cap coins coming out and these things pump and dump overnight. So you got to be very careful. Not saying that you shouldn't do it, but just maybe don't put your life savings into it. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. Here I am, blue shirt, full languages, working on it. And yeah, I'll be back maybe Friday, whenever we're doing it again. Friday?
All right, guys, we're doing a quick switch over. We'll be back.
All right, sorry about that. Marty just likes to butt in. He likes the audience. He likes the attention clearly. But yeah, he's one of the consultants for FS. He helps people with success in cryptocurrency. You know the deal. But yeah, I mean, basically what he's saying is everything he said is true. Like, it's pretty much what I would have said, and I'm actually surprised that we came to the same conclusion. That means he's definitely getting better in research. Somebody making fun. What are you laughing at?
Look at this comment right here. Who is that?
Oh, that's all 100. You guys are annoying. All right. But yeah, in general, the adoption is definitely happening. Just don't mind the office drama, okay? Don't mind the office drama. All right, so if we come over here to the screen share, you can see the Ethereum wallet MetaMask reports. Come on the screen share. Man, get on it, Eddie. Ethereum wallet MetaMask reports 21 million users, up 420% since April. Adoption is definitely happening. Not only that, but you could tell things are going crazy because Coinbase just dropped their version of MetaMask. Why, right? Because they're trying to get some market share, right? Things are happening. People are going more DeFi. I remember 6 months ago saying, oh, everybody's going to stay on centralized exchanges, but eventually, the learning curve is going to be easier enough to go, DeFi and get access to yield and all these different projects, especially with layer 2. I mean, Marty hit it on the head. Probably going to see some layer 2 coins pop off. So retail is learning, is what I'm saying. The average person is definitely learning. And the same company that owns MetaMask and some other companies is valued at $3.2 billion. Crypto companies are making billionaires, guys. Also, we talked about this a little bit before, but Bitcoin's getting some more functionality. They're switching up the way that you sign signatures and making it like a little bit more lightweight to help with transaction fees, as well as give you some kind of smart contract capabilities. It's very basic stuff. But in general, I mean, it's a big event when Bitcoin does anything, to be honest, because it's just kind of like the old coin that never changed, right? Yeah, so Marathon to raise $500 million in debt to buy Bitcoin and mining machines. I mean, oh man, I don't, like, this is kind of getting old. Am I wrong? Like, every live stream, we're just going through this, right? And it's just adoption news after adoption news after adoption news, right? And at this point, I think you guys get it. I think the big gray area for a lot of people that are watching my live streams, and my goal here is to try to get you guys to success, right? Not just entertain you, is that you guys need strategy. You really, really need strategy. So watch the next videos that are coming out. I almost don't have a screen share. And it's a lot of like thoughts, things that I'm writing down, and like basically the ways that I move in cryptocurrency to actually have some type of successful process. You need a process. If you're coming in here and just going off, gut feeling and a hinge, right? Because like of some big news of some coin or something, or because some YouTuber said it, you're gonna lose 99% of the time. So just watch my newer videos. They're coming out in the next week. It's gonna be great. You guys typically like it when I make these strategy videos because nobody on the internet's really doing it. They're just making like news videos and altcoin videos, right? And I can do that too, but the strategy videos are really gonna separate you guys from like being successful. Let me answer some comments real quick. CIA, what? What else we got? Hey, I wanted to say thank you. I've learned almost all I know about crypto. See, this is where the strategy videos come in play. This is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Like take notes sometimes. Like I can show you my notes. They're written up all over the page. Take it serious is what I'm saying. Okay, don't quote me on 13 mil. What are you talking about?
The comment above is two comments.
Third largest Bitcoin whale just bought 13 million at 62K. I got to look at that. On-chain metrics are really cool. Can you explain how safe what is this? I can't, it's so small. Airdrop.
Hey, Alex, could you explain how safe
that's like a specific airdrop. There's so many airdrops out there. Just be careful. I can't look at that right now. Maybe at the end of the video, we'll do some altcoin talk. Phantom thoughts. Oh, Phantom dropped 24%. I might have to buy some, actually. I'm going to buy some more. Phantom's still doing fine. Like, I haven't really seen anything. I mean, you'll see the YouTubers make the negative, like, titles, guys. Like, it's obvious. Phantom drops, bigger than any other altcoin or any other layer one. They're going to come out with the negative videos. Don't let them scare you out of your bags. I'm probably going to buy more Phantom. Are we in a short squeeze? Yeah, that's what a lot of people have been saying. I think, it's going to be a battle to break all-time high and clear through, right? We could break it by like $1,000, right? Bitcoin goes to like what's all-time high? 62K, 67K?
What's that right now?
I don't even remember anymore. But the point is, like, when we make this actual, yeah, there you go. Thank you. It's at 60K, but like, what's the all-time high was like at 67K, I think. Scroll down. 69K. So, if you notice, like, the Bitcoin price here, actually, let me just pull it up on my tablet here, just to make it easier. Go ahead and open my tablet. If you look at Bitcoin's price, right, we come over here, and this is just a side tangent. But you can see that we've attempted to break out, like, in multiple situations. Let me just pull it up. I probably should have pulled up TradingView, but let's just come over here. All right, so you see that, oh man, I can't even, let's pull up TradingView for a second. Sorry guys, give me a second. Let's look at the actual price of Bitcoin. But every time we try to break out, there's like a massive rejection. It's not gonna be easy. Remember, this is the biggest coin on the market with the biggest market cap. And
you're on TradingView now?
Yeah, I'm on TradingView now. This is the biggest coin on the market cap. And not only that, but like everyone that's smart in crypto knows that it moves the market as well. That's the most important part you guys gotta understand, is that liquidity usually starts in Ethereum and Bitcoin. And forever, for the past like 10 years, it's been Bitcoin, and Ethereum just started like happening, right? So you see that we have this level of resistance here, right? Like one, let me just get the actual brush. We have like right here, we have here, and then we recently just dropped, right? So obviously we're gonna attempt it again. It might be a lot of sideways action. There's actually been a lot of people saying that the bull run's not gonna end like this year, like a lot of people have been predicting. They're saying that it's not going to hit 100K, by the end of the year. I probably agree with that. They're not going to just let Bitcoin ride like that. They're going to do everything in their power to try to bring it down. They want to prolong this, right? So this whole entire time, it's really good for altcoins, and at the same time, it actually builds a little bit of optimism for me, because like, man, if they're trying to bring it down, like that can only mean one thing, right? They're scared of it, right? And if they're scared of it, that means that we're in the right position. It just gives me confirmation. The more I see manipulation, the more I see like big time players like trying to do things to negatively affect cryptocurrency, it really is a positive thing for me. And this is kind of like where the emotional control comes in, and understanding, that what's like the regular way a person that doesn't know crypto would think, like do the exact opposite, right? So like, the regular people dumped their Bitcoin bag like just recently, right? The regular people got out of Bitcoin or got out of some altcoins because they're scared of the infrastructure bill, right? When we know that there was no fundamental news that really happened. So as long as you guys can control your emotions, you're gonna make money. And that's like part of the strategy. Let me just really quickly, before you pull up the screen share, let me see if there's anything else worth talking about. I mean, we talked about the Biden infrastructure bill already. Ted Cruz seeks repeal of Biden. Yeah, I mean, they're going back and forth, right? We see Blueprint. Nah, I don't think that's a good. Yeah, just in general adoption news, guys. Oh, this is a good one. Pull up the screen share. All right, so this is a perfect example of, in my personal opinion, kind of that line I keep telling you guys about, which is like there's a line between a scam and you know, innovation. Now it's funny, like, because if I had the knowledge I had now, you know, something like this, it would have been super obvious. But the smartest people you guys know and respect to today's date on YouTube, and this is from someone that like has been in this market for a long time, since 2015, they were all caught off guard. Even CoinMarketCap was caught off guard. Even CoinMarketCap listed BitConnect as a top 4 cryptocurrency. I want you, let's think about that, right? Let's go, I want to show you guys something, right? So Hex right now is like the closest thing I could find to like controversial. Like everyone thinks, some people think it's a scam, some people think it's like legit. Now the market cap has a question. Why is that? It's because they're censoring it. CoinGecko is censoring Hex. If you look on CoinMarketCap, it's censoring Hex. If you actually look at the current market cap, it would be a top 10 cryptocurrency. It would be on the top 10 list of CoinGecko right here. But the reason why they don't put it is because they're censoring it. They've basically identified that it's a scam, okay? So what I'm saying is if we come back over to, where is it? Did I close it? Yeah, right here. Come back over here. It's a really good learning, it's a good learning experience because, like I said, this was a top 4. It was top 4 on CoinMarketCap. And this was a huge scam. And they said they were arbitrage trading. Basically the gist was they're offering you 1% a day. And they said they were arbitrage trading, and they didn't show any of proof on the blockchain. So that's what I'm saying. Like right now, it'd be like, oh, that's a complete scam. But back in the day, everybody was lost, man. Everybody was lost back in the day. There was obviously people that were calling it out that knew, but there was a lot of smart, respectable people that you guys today probably watch that were not promoting, but not negative about it. So I thought that was really interesting that they're actually, it's just bringing up the topic of discussion again, right? U.S. Justice Department, they're compensating the BitConnect victims with $56 million, right? So, you know, we see the, I guess, the positive, you know, side of the U.S. Justice Department system. But yeah, in general, you know, I just thought that was interesting to talk about like innovation versus like scam. It is a line that's like, it's hard to see sometimes because there's a lot of new projects and most of you are not developers. There probably are some people that can identify things on the blockchain. But most of you are not developers. Yeah, we're going to conclude this video. I'm going to answer some altcoins and stuff like that. We'll go into some details about that. And then, you know, I'm probably going to check out here. What's your thoughts on PDEX? Hold up. Before you pull it up, let me just see really quickly if it's a scam. Let's see. Oh, Pokedex? Yeah, Pokedex is not a scam. You can pull it up. So Polkadot, like the news for Polkadot is a little bit gassed out for me. I mean, the market cap's 50 million. I mean, it's a decentralized exchange on Polkadot. The only thing with Polkadot bothers me a little bit is the parachain slot auctions are pretty much every answer. So if it doesn't win an auction, the coin is like irrelevant, right? And it's hard to tell what's going to win the auction. There's a couple like guaranteed answers, which I told you guys about, which was a crowd loan, as well as Moonbeam. But there's some that are just like wishy-washy. We don't know who's going to win. So I don't really feel comfortable. I'd rather invest in like ecosystem like AVAX or Solana that already has liquidity and that they don't have like this auction mechanism that picks and chooses winners and losers, right? So I'm just a little bit bearish on Polkadot projects. I'm not bearish on Polkadot. Polkadot itself, I'll hold that. And some projects on Polkadot. But like on the other projects and stuff like that, it's just it's a little hard to predict. Let me answer some more comments here. Where does 56 mil come from? That's the market cap. 52 mil, you mean? Love from Morocco. Nice, man. I want to visit that one day. Kylan was one of those projects that probably going to win a parachain slot auction, but it's not really sure. Reef in the same category. It's just so hard. It's so hard to like, I can't tell. Like maybe closer to the auction event, we might be able to tell. All right, Ultra. Man, you guys just was shilling Alex Becker coins. CoinSwap. I've talked about that before. Okay, Let me see if there's any other questions. Terra Luna just got subpoenaed, I think. Bro, are there any secure our wallet? Wait, what? Any way to secure our wallets? I was hacked one. Yeah, so you guys have to have like good like internet navigation skills. Like stop clicking bad links. That's probably why you got hacked, or you clicked a bad email or something like that. You just got to understand what's going on. Love Cardano. What about Cardano? Midas, yeah, I think it pumped today or whatever. Oh, yo, I finally made a live stream. What are we doing? We're live streaming. What are you talking about? All right, thoughts on Phantom Go FTG. Let me pull it up. Before you pull it up, hold on. FTG. I've heard of this. I haven't done enough research yet, to be honest. So maybe we can research it live here. Okay, go ahead. Pull it up. What is this? Platform built to accelerate the Phantom ecosystem. Interesting. I've heard of this. I should know this. There's just so many different cryptocurrencies I have to deal with. So what is this, a layer 2 on Phantom? Okay, I'm going to look into the team after. I just want to know what it does. Okay, it processes 250,000 transactions daily. Okay. What are they doing? Innovators raise capital in a decentralized environment. So is this just like is this another IDO platform or like incubator? I think this is what it looks like just from what I'm getting here. Where's this light paper? Let's pull up the light paper. All right, let's see. Yeah, I think this is it. I mean, they do well. I'm just not a fan of them, to be honest. I'm not a fan of them because it's like manipulating a lot of the market. But like if from a pure investment, non-emotional standpoint, it's probably, you know, these IDOs and stuff like that are good. But like, is this what it is? The network is, why are they talking about transactions if it's an IDO platform? I still don't know what it is. Their communication's trash, obviously. Okay, here we go. Designed to help innovators raise capital in a decentralized environment. Cross-chain capital raise. Okay, see, that's pretty cool. Tap into other liquidity. Yeah, this is interesting. Would integrate firmly with the Phantom ecosystem. Okay, it's a launch pad. I was right. But they're going from different blockchains, which is like, I guess these, I mean, don't get me wrong. Again, it puts a bad taste in my mouth, to be honest. I don't like them. But it's a normal thing in traditional finance. It's just really manipulated in crypto, man. It's just really, really, really manipulated in crypto, and I don't like that. So personally, I wouldn't invest in something like this. But from a pure price perspective, I mean, it looks pretty undervalued. And I haven't looked in, being that I don't invest in IDOs, I haven't really looked at its competition. I would first identify if it has, oh, we don't even know the market cap. I would want to see, you know, it's at a nice price point. It's definitely at a discount right now. It's on KuCoin, Uniswap. That's pretty good. It's not bad liquidity. I would look at the actual liquidity on Uniswap though. For some reason, it doesn't work on tablets. I've tried this a couple of times. TVL 0. Oh, right here. Oh. Is FG? Oh. This is like a scam. This is Uniswap version 3 though, so the TVL is only $314. Don't buy on version 3. Buy on version 2. Let's see what they're at version 2. What is it, FTG? FTG. Is that it? Yeah, sometimes it doesn't come up. I don't know why. I think this might be it. Let me just double check on right here, FTG USDT. Yeah, this is trash. 71,000 total liquidity. This is trash, guys. I'm going to be honest. This is horrible liquidity. For a cross-chain platform that claims to give you access to liquidity, their liquidity pair is $71,000. That's a joke. I couldn't even put more than $1,000 without destroying the pool. You probably could, but this is not good. This is a really good example of me doing research in front of you guys. You guys can literally see right now that I would invalidate this coin just off of its liquidity. This is invalidated in my eyes. Yeah, I wouldn't invest into it. There you go. That was live action. We got any other questions? Let's see what we got here. All right, you guys asking a lot of altcoin questions. How much time?
About,
What time is it right now?
we're about 45 minutes
All right.
in.
See what you guys got. Beats on Phantom. Yeah, I've already talked about Beats. I actually purchased a little bit of Beats. Ultra. All right, last coin we're doing Ultra. This might require a little bit more research because I know it's a legitimate project, but you might have to just compare and contrast competitors. Let's go into markets.
You ready for the screen share?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's go into, yeah, look at the liquidity. I mean, obvious, like I said, it's a good project, 333 million. Market cap, right? Yeah, that's market cap. Look how many different exchanges. Look at the difference between the last coin we talked about and this one, right? You could buy this pretty much anywhere. And if I pulled up Uniswap, I bet you the liquidity pool is pretty big. And this is version 3. Usually version 3 doesn't have good liquidity because, you know, they haven't upgraded yet. But like it's not showing. Let me see. Let's see if, oh, it's not giving me the info. I mean, I could look it up. But you guys get the point. Like you want to have more than $100,000 in liquidity. USDC, UOS. Let's just search it real quick. See if I can find it. Yeah, here we go. See, look, TVL, 3.13 million, right? So you could buy this token without destroying it, okay? Look at the difference, right? So that was a clear difference there. Let's look at the price really quickly. See where we're at. Okay, prices, it broke all-time high. I don't know if this is something I want to invest in. You guys know I look for like discounts, right? Now, can it continue to break all-time high? That's a question of if it's in the trend or not. So let's pull it up. Okay, it's obviously in the trend, right? A new era for gamers, right? So we're talking about like the metaverse gaming industry, which is big. So be the first to discover Ultra. I mean, what are they telling me to download right now? Okay, so it's just it's a wallet. Okay, most projects have a wallet. This is one of those situations where I'd have to compare and contrast the altcoins, guys. Like, it's hard to tell, you know, what they're doing in comparison. This will require deep research. Things like this is hard for me to do. Let me look at the technology, at least in a live stream. These changes everything. Let's see, what are they doing here? Virtual games, digital goods, okay. Smart contract capable blockchains in the world. They can handle tens of thousands of transactions. What is it? Is it ERC20 token? Yeah, of course it's ERC20 token. What are they saying they can handle all these transactions? Is this a layer 2? Is it on layer 2? Is it on Polygon? Is it on Polygon? Let's see, developers. I don't really see anything crazy right now, to be honest. But I have to look into this more. This is a hard one, guys. Like I have to, let's look into the Twitter really quickly. Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty, this is a pretty low Twitter following for the size of the market cap. Publishing partner, okay. I don't really see anything out of the ordinary right now, to be honest. This requires some deep looking into, guys. Let me pull up here real quick. I want to see if it's layer 2. If it is, I'll be really excited, but it doesn't look like it is. It doesn't look like it's on Polygon. So I don't know how they're handling that many transactions. Maybe they're just doing it with NFTs or something like that. Yeah, I have to look into this deeper, guys. Sorry about that, but I can't recommend something I don't know. So yeah, we'll conclude that one. Let's see if there's any other questions. Keep up the good work, bro. Stay ruthless. You inspire me as a fellow Latino. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. I'm trying as hard as I can. You guys make me ruthless, man. That comment section is savage, especially when the market drops like 10%. You guys are mean. Hurts my feelings. I'm just kidding. All right, we're gonna conclude this. Okay, appreciate you guys for showing up on a Wednesday. We're gonna do another one Friday, so pay attention. 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you haven't already checked out the podcast, head on over to alexanderlorenzo.buzzsprout.com. We have a new podcast dropping tomorrow. You know, it's gonna be in the morning so that you guys can wake up and kind of listen to it while you're driving to work. It's actually gonna be with Logan or Jake Paul's bodyguard. Jake Paul's bodyguard. So very interesting, you know, conversation that I don't think has been exposed anywhere else in the world. So pay attention to that. And then also, of course, you know, this live stream is brought to you by Fundamental Secrets. I'm not even going to show. I'm just going to show you the pretty graphic. So just look at the pretty graphic. That's all. Just take a second. All right, it's over. I don't even know if it's over. All right. Guys, like the video. I'm going to conclude this live stream. Thanks for watching. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism. Subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. Thanks for watching this, guys. Catch you in the next one.